Hello, welcome. This is the part 1 of the video today. I'm going to show you this tutorial, a reversible flower doll in this mini pot. So if you are going to make this, make sure you are paying attention on the small details I will show you on this tutorial. These are all the materials. If you want all the details, you can check in my description below. First, we're going to make the flower, form a magic ring, chain, then add 2 double crochet inside the ring, 1 double crochet, another double crochet, chain of 2 and slip stitch. Okay, and then now you will need to repeat a chain of 2, add 2 double crochet, chain of 1, 2, slip stitch. Okay, so we have 2, repeat a chain of 2, 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 and slip stitch. Repeat chain 2, 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 and slip stitch. Then last one, chain 1, 2, 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 and slip stitch. So now you have 5. Pull this tail here, pull tight, then make a chain and cut the yarn. Then hide the extra tail inside the stitches. Now cut a white yarn or yellow yarn if you want, and then we will make a, on this side here, we'll just make a star here. Okay, now we will make this color. We will use a pink color, and the headband you will need to use a green color. So you will need to have two color of yarn. So I will show you. It's the same pattern. Make a slip knot. Then chain of 1, 2, 3, 4. Single crochet second chain from the hook, followed by a half double crochet, 1, and half double crochet in the last. Okay, pull tight. Repeat a chain of 4, single crochet, half double crochet in the next 2. Chain of 4, single crochet, and half double crochet in the next. So you will need to make 5 in total. Next, we will make the leaf, the mini leaf here. This is simple. Make a slip knot, chain of 5, single crochet second chain, half double crochet in the next 2, then slip stitch. Then after, make a chain and cut the yarn. Then make 2 of this. Now let's make the hair, this brown. You can use also a dark color if you want. So form a magic ring. Chain, then 6 single crochet inside the ring. After the 6 single crochet, insert your hook in the first stitch and make a increase or 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Repeat around for 12 single crochet stitches. Then round 3, single crochet in the first, then mark it and then increase in the next. Repeat a single crochet in the next, then increase in the next for a total of 18 stitches around. Then once done with the 18 stitches, chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet, second chain, 1, in the next, single crochet, in the next, single crochet 3, and the next single crochet of 4. Then remove this stitch marker. Do a single crochet in the next 5 stitches. In this, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then single crochet, second chain, and in the following stitches. Okay, so once done, slip stitch in the next stitch, then chain of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then single crochet, second chain from the hook, then single crochet in the following 8 chains. Okay, then repeat a slip stitch in the next stitch and repeat chain of 10, then single crochet in the following 9 stitches, then repeat this for a total of 12. Okay, so this is what it looked like. A 12 long and 2 short one. Then make a chain here and leave a extra tail for sewing.